小豬課室 Piggy Classroom
Hey Classroom
Hi everyone, welcome to Piggy Classroom. Hello 各位小朋友，歡迎嚟到小豬課室。Today we're going to learn about the days of the week. 一星期，準備好未？我哋開始啦喎。Are you ready? Let's start. Sunday 星期日。Monday 星期一。Tuesday 星期二。Wednesday 星期三。Thursday 星期四。Friday 星期五。Saturday 星期六。Sunday 星期日。Monday 星期一。Tuesday 星期二。Wednesday 星期三。Thursday 星期四。Friday 星期五。Saturday 星期六。
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
如果鍾意呢條學習影片，請 like 同埋 subscribe。